Here, look at this.
5 miles north of Detroit is Oakland County's Sacra Recycling Plant, a sprawling 3-story building with noise and dust, trash underfoot, slick steel stairways, and piles of recycling waste that ride on fast conveyor belts.
This is one of the most important positions in this place. It sets up for the rest of the plant as far as what's good and what's bad. These guys are here to remove anything that doesn't belong, whether it's a bowling ball, whether it's any kind of wood, a hose, hangers. The communication is key for this unit because as it's going through, they all have their own responsibilities of what to do, but as they're tossing through, it may get by them, so they're talking to the next person.
Unbelievable. Nice.
The system, called Single Stream, can handle more recycling tonnage than the old system, but there's a downside: more contamination.
Everything has a place, everything has a purpose. This is all the stuff that's now going out to the trash, okay? But there's a reverse magnet underneath here that kicks out anything that's metal, right? Or aluminum. So now that's how the aluminum gets thrown over. And sometimes you may have something that has a little bit of metal and paper, which is what he'll grab and pull out.
It's no cinch to work in these plants, as I found out by working on the line.
It's just way too fast. Man, it's way too fast.
Right there.
That is tough. Is that glass?
You gotta see it and grab it.
Wow. I don't know if I could do this.
Right,
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay.
They told me, "You can't follow stuff as it passes you. You'll get real dizzy, believe me." And they were right.
I'm getting dizzy up here.
Some new hires get so dizzy they go to a restroom, lose their lunch, and then quit. 2 years ago, the Chinese government all but stopped accepting Americans' recycled waste. That forced recycling plants, like this one in Oakland County, to seek local buyers, and they're getting almost as picky as the Chinese about contamination.
This is where we make the money. So from the very beginning of the tipping floor of the raw material to the finished product, this is what we do as far as Sacra and Lead Point to be able to get the job done. And the ironic thing with this is if everybody were to recycle 100% of the time the way you're supposed to do it, there would be no need for anybody on this line because it would all be coming through clean and pure.